Hi, I'm Steve Foltz, the welding instructor. Let me tell you some cool reasons why you want to take my class. I want to take you on a tour of my welding class. This is some projects that we're building. We're building fire pits. This is a metal shear. It shears up metal. This here is a bandsaw. We use it to cut different shapes. All my booths are equipped with two different machines. We can run MIG, stick, TIG, all the booths, 15 booths include two different machines. Oxy-fuel track cutter. It runs automatically and it'll make a cut with oxy-fuel. This right here is a CNC plasma. We program it, it's run by computer, and it'll cut any shape that you want. This is a bench that we made. And this is a smart board that I use for technology. Let me tell you some reasons why you want to take this class. I have 9 companies in the Roanoke area that are hiring welders. The good benefits, good pay. I have the Newport News shipyard that's starting in Newport News, the apprenticeship school. And if you decide to want to go on to college, you can get a certificate, associate's, bachelor's, and master's degree in welding engineering. Other than that, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the fall.